We back? We back. There's audio. Alright, that's my phone. Seems fun. Okay, what the hell? Connecting to this. Is this still the same link now? Okay, what the hell? Right. Is it a new stream? Wait. Not live here. How does this work? Is it a new stream? Wait. I am not live here. Mighty confused. Wait. So is this the... This is the recording. That sucks. It sucks. Wait. Damn it. I'll get there, guys. Yeah. Okay, well. But the thing, it's not live on YouTube, is it? I don't know. Hello? YouTube event. But he's not saying I'm live here. How do I know? Videos. There you go. Wait, I'm alive. I can't even find it. There we go. Yeah, we back, boys. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I'll know if the stream drops and I'll try to sort it out as quick as possible. But sometimes it's just, you know. Okay. So we're gonna try that again. We're starting recording now, and then I'll upload this as a VOD. But essentially, I am doing the Unreal Engine 4 Spring Game Jam. I'll get the thing. Let me just. I sent myself a link of the What's a Doodle. I'm gonna download some of these pictures. Just so I have some reference. I know you guys can't see anything. We're just getting this open. And now you should see some stuff. Okay. This is what we're doing. The 2020 Unreal Engine Spring Jam. Submissions open from yesterday. So I'm only starting now. So me got 4 days, 12 hours. This is going to be fun. The theme, what is hidden in the snow comes forth in the thaw. The rules, work alone or with a team up to 5. I'm using, yes, I am using him. I'm using one other guy. He's sitting under the table. He's doing my audio. I'm also probably going to use a sound effect pack. I just want to see the rules on using external stuff. Must include custom gameplay that exceeds, yeah. All art assets, something else other than the default material part, I'll try my best. Submissions. I'm sure I remember seeing that you can use external like marketplace stuff as long as you created it, and then I would like under 1 gigabyte. Ooh, okay, I'm sure I can do it. I believe in myself. Yeah. Oh, the zip file must be under 1 gig. That should be fine then. Yada. Let's see. The eligibility. Engine. Yep. Contest. Submission guidelines. I wanted to check one last thing to make sure that I can use a sound effect pack. I'm sure I know. I'm sure I've seen this somewhere. Well, you know what? We will get to that when we get to it, because I think it's literally just going to be like footsteps and stuff like that. I have some audio which I'll play for you guys in a second. I just want to make sure that nothing's playing in the background so that my audio, my game, my everything just doesn't cut out and die. Because that would be fairly nice to have a slick stream. Slick stream. That sounds gross. YouTube really needs to fix their streaming. They can beat Twitch easily if they do. It was not YouTube. It was me. I went under and I just kind of like, I just wrestled with the LAN cable for a little bit, like an anaconda. It was a gruesome battle. I nearly lost my leg. You can't even see my legs, so I'm not going to show you the damage that it's done. But yeah, no, eventually I unplugged it and then plugged it back in, and whew, it was a close one, but hey, we back, boys. So it was me, not thinking, because everything dropped. I couldn't even get the I could get the dyno, the little offline dyno. But let's get to it, because this is getting long-winded. So, what is hidden in the winter will thaw in the spring. There's going to be a little, my little dude here. It's a little character that I made, I drew him just now. And then I rigged him up in this weird 2.5D fashion. Got some lovely little controls there that we can right, let me select that one. Do like little things like that. Get him to like kick people and do whatever, blam. But we'll get to that in a little bit, and then we're gonna have a little physicsy scarf. It's gonna be wonderful. And then his little head. And I think if I rig this up properly, you can kind of like bounce around a little bit. So we're just gonna make some animations for him, but first we're gonna set up the project. The project is going to be based on the 2.5D, it's like the 2D side-scroller thingy. You know what I mean. But yeah, last thing I want to do actually is going to hide you guys while I look at some secret things in the background, just so I don't leak any DMs. And I'm gonna get the audio that has been created for this so far, just so we can get that playing in the background. Audio. Also, I may not see your messages as soon as they come through, as I am a lazy bum. And being a lazy bum, I don't look at things very often. Yoink. Hello there, it's me again. Listen to this. That's very loud. That should be okay. This is the audio that has been created for the song, not for the song, for the game so far. So just some chill stuff. Get out of here. This is my other project. Spoilers. Right. Let's use 4.25 just for the sake of it. Actually, let me check something. SFX update. Yeah, so this is what I wanted to use, but that I might have to update it to do it, but it shouldn't take too long to update. But we're not going to do it on stream. We'll deal with that another day. So we want to do games, 2D side scroller, 2D side scroller, 2D sprite character. No, I want to use this. Blueprint, maximum quality, ray tracing disabled, no starter content console. Yep. We will actually. Where's my little thingy? Put it in there. Days. Winter. Very imaginative name, I know. Oh, it's starting up. Let's see. Yoink. Okay. Oh. There we go. Okay. See. Ooh, that's nice and soothing. Thank you. Well, actually, you weren't thanking me, but I was going to say thank my other guy. Well, I'll see if he wants to reveal himself when he gets online. Yeah, we will see. We'll see what he's credited as, and then maybe he'll pop in a call later. Ooh, guest voice actors, not voice actors, guest stars, shall we say? Right, the starter thing does this. You can go backwards and forwards. That's neat. Cool. Wonderful. Nearly there. We want to hard scroll a character. Right, dismiss that. Hard scroll a character, we want to first disable his rotation. We want him to face in one direction, and we will sort out whether he gets flipped or not. As my character doesn't do too well with what is it? Doesn't do too well with these rotations. Let me know if this gets a bit repetitive. Otherwise, I'll leave it on. We're going to lock the rotation. There's ways to do this. Lock? How do I do this? Lock. Oh wait, I just do it in the... here. Orient, movement. Orient, rotation, movement. Is this going to work? There you go. Perfect. So now we want to get our character in here. We're going to be very terrible with our label, with our folder structure. Terribly sorry. This is going to be a gore stream. Just full blueprint spaghetti. No shame. I just want to get something done. Okay, Abe. So this is our main guy. He's named Abe. He's a minty man, as you can see by his clothing. I'm going to export him as an FBX. Abe character. Wonderful. 2016. Normals, textures. Yep, that works. Yoink. Art. Oh. Cinema. Yeah, this is gonna get messy. Skeleton, none. Import mesh, import skeleton. Rotation, all that good stuff. Import. Wonderful. Yes, moving groups, that don't matter. Abe is this is our dude, this is our main character, believe it or not. Are you keen? I'm ready. I'm gonna make a... Whoopsie, I think I forced deleted that. Uh-oh. Content, tree. There you go. So we're going to want materials folder. Within there, we're going to have a character sprite master. And here we're going to have yoink. This is just going to be masked and surface. The alpha goes into passive mask, and yes, I know it's going to be an error. So still need to link this up. Bada bing, bada boom. What up? Look at that. And then we'll have a normal, just because normals are fun. Speedrunning this boy. Look at this. Woo! Look at that tub. The edges are fun. We'll do the edges if it gets a little choppy, but it should be okay. I don't know, should add some parameters for this. Metallic, specular, roof, right, bucket, top, metallic, specular, roughness, and we're going to have full rough as the default. That's just 1 on the roughness. And that should look a lot better, kind of. I feel like he isn't being shaded properly, but hey, we will deal with that in a bit. Abe, a little character, going to have an instance of this as his default material. Abe. Wait. And this is the point where the YouTube VOD gets demonetized. Because I am already sick of that song. Listen to these jams, man. Listen to these. Oh! I'm gonna signify this with the green. This is... oh wait, yeah, let's do green. Oh. Bam! Look at that. like I'm professional. This is Adventure, Stamina, and Anger by This Town Needs Guns, and it is definitely my favourite song at the moment. It's just so funky. Let's search for Abe, just plonk him in there. I got the wrong thing in there, and now it's probably messing up all the... Uh-oh. Oh no. It's the bottom changes. It wasn't supposed to do that, probably messed up something. But hey, look at that, there's Abe. He does not need to cast shadows. That might look interesting though. Let's leave it for now, see how it looks. He looks odd. Looks like he's got the wrong colour blending. We'll deal with that a bit. Abe, believe it or not, you are our main character and you need to be the mesh here. Abe! Hi there, look at that. What a fancy boy. It's scaled down. Right. Oh, look at that boy. It's a good. So, now we need to, it's actually in the wrong direction, but we need to see which direction he's moving in and then kind of flip the scale of him depending on that. It's just going to be a hard swap. Right. Yeah, let's see this. We'll just use this one. Scale value. Let's see what he does say. Roly boy, yeah. And then let's check this. Let's check. Right. How do we do this? So it's -1 and 1. That's our kind of... I don't want to... I could just do it like... I could get this axis value and then set that as the X scale, but then if you're using a controller then you can kind of squish in between. You could seal it. The seal go negative. Let's see. Let's seal. Print. There, 1, -1. Hey, look at that. Cool, that's easy. So now, we need to, doesn't equal 0. I'm gonna check that. So essentially, if there's no input, we're not gonna go past this branch, but if we are going past, or if it doesn't equal 0, then what we're gonna do is we're gonna set the scale to the input, which sounds weird, but hopefully it makes sense a little bit. Scale, separate to scale 3D. We're not gonna do 3D, we're gonna do it individual parameters. So then we can take the, let's say the X, the red one. We're gonna take the X and we're just gonna delete in there, and then either he's facing the wrong way or he's facing the right way. If he's facing the wrong way, we'll just invert it. Look at this. Boom! Oh, bugger, that did not work. But he's turning. He's turning. Woo! Look at that boy go! Okay, he's facing the wrong way though. So we're gonna multiply this by -1. There you go. -1. Pop that in there. And then we're also going to, just so I don't have to scale up in the future, we're going to get the relative scale. Wait. Yeah, we'll figure it out. Get rid of scale 3D. I'm going to split that. Yoink. Give us some space. Y, Z. And we're going to multiply this by our little input here, and then that's going to be our X. Just because if I want to do some adjustments, say like scaling up after I've done all this, then see that? So now he's constantly going to -1 and he's just flipping every frame. That sucks. I'll get the absolute value of that. That should work. Is this going to work? Fingers crossed, everyone. Look at that. Look at this boy. Look at him go. Woo! Look at that motion blur. He's jamming. Okay. Now the second most important thing in this entire game is cake physics. So where my boy at? How do I do physics? I haven't done this before. gonna make an animation blueprint for him. I'm gonna call this. Wait, crap. I'm gonna call this Abe. Oh wait, no, I'm gonna call it ABP underscore Abe. That's gonna be completely non-confusing. And we're gonna get the state machine, which is our default. Because I'm only gonna use default, screw that. And then, let's see, physics. I feel like there's a thing here. Anime speed blur, hell yeah. That's jams, man. There's a thing, I've done this before, I messed up with it and it was so hilarious that I just kept it in like half of my development time. It was just wobbly everything. But I just want to know on the... Let's see. Because there's a way that you can do like simulated some things. Physics bones. Physics bone. Yeah, like these gems. Oh wait, wait. Okay, hold on. I think I know what I'm doing. Most of the time. Oh bugger. Wait, okay, just nothing. There you go. I'm gonna sum it before we forget. Again, it's not gonna do anything now. But what we will do is go to aid character and do we have a physics asset for it? We do. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. So now, all of these things we want to be kinematic, except for the scarf. The scarf, it's the top bone, is going to be simulated. And now, if we say simulate, oh, look at that, it's breaking, but it works. That's the main thing. We're just going to delete that. And how do we just reset the transformers? I don't want to manually set these things. Yoink, 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 yoink. Radius, we'll figure that out now. This is my boy. This is where his scarf is going to glide, essentially. So we don't want to like clip it through his body. Sensitivity on this way too low. Okay, that should be fun. Simulate. Ooh. Why are you breaking? Oh, what are these? Oh. Radius. Just put 100, there you go, yeah. 30, 20. Bonk that there. Let's put these like there. Oh boy, there's a lot of these little things around. Uh-oh, that's yucky. That's unhealthy. I don't want that. Can I just delete all these bodies? Good. Radius. Let's just see. Let's see if we need to. Let's go. Oh look! Oh, look at that. Perfect. Absolutely brilliant. Yeah. Oh, there we go. It's done. It's settled, mate. In this one, I realized that if we turn around, you can't see Abe. Look at that. He's a sneaky boy. But if we go into here and we go double-sided, two-sided, click apply, wait for it to compile. Don't click too fast, otherwise I don't my brake. There we he's broken, but hey, it's gonna work. There you go. So now AB is look at that. He's looking over his shoulder at us, checking us out. Right, but let's see if it translates into gameplay. It does not. Why? We haven't set the simulated physics. So on begin play, we're going to do a sequence because we're going to do a lot of stuff here. Sequence. We're going to grab the Abe mesh. We're going to set simulate physics. We're going to yoink that boy. I'm going to put it up there. Now we have we don't have the physics. Why? Well, what am I doing? I could just do it in here. Right. Simulate. I mean, it won't change anything. Physics, simulate, update, transform. Well, let's see if this changes anything. I don't know if it will. It didn't. Uh-oh. Okay, this might be what happened. System version label is incompatible. Collision labeled. Oh, there she gone. No collision. What? It's a character, it's the character mesh that's causing this. Set to similar physics, but collision enabled is incompatible. That's illegal. You're not allowed to tell me that. It's what a bounce. Physics actor. Is that any better? There you go. Hey, look at his car. It's beautiful. It doesn't work. It doesn't seem to be very nice when I do in the opposite direction, but you know what? It works in one direction, and that's all we need. That is our game right there. Look at that. Also, all these songs you've been hearing are from This Town Needs Guns. They are fully big jams. Love it. Okay. Just double checking. I don't know who watches and restream probably. I don't want to miss anything. Cool. So, what are we doing now? We have to do gameplay. That's gross. What I want to do first is set this to an orthographic camera. I'm wondering if I want the camera to follow the player, or if I want it to kind of snap to different locations around the level. I think I want it to do the latter. So what we need to do is detach it then. So we're going to go into here, and we're going to, first of all, drag it onto there, delete that, detach from component. That's going to be the first thing we do upon starting up the game. So, did that work? Hey, where you at? Is he in the wrong direction? Oh wait, he's literally... No? It'd have to be like out here. Yeah. Whee! Cool. So, now, what we need to do is, in here, we're going to make this a little bit easier for ourselves. 20. Why is it being odd? Whoa, that's a weird one. There's nothing blocking it. It works. It's just being very odd. Never mind. Sorry, that was weird to me. Like in here, if you view it, it doesn't show Abe. It's like showing underneath the world or something like that. But when you actually play the game, then it's there. So I don't know. Weird as heck. I'm just going to put that to -90. There you go. I hated there's a little 89.99 thing there, and I don't like them floating point errors. I wish there was a way that you could like preview where it's showing. I wish you could do that. It's just going to be me pointing and trying to get these things in place. Oh wait, I shouldn't do that. I should do PIE. There you go. So, needs to go down a little bit further. This is a terrible way of finding the edges of a camera bounds. Oh, it's somewhere there. It's near. Wait a second. I could do this in the camera. Like in here, cubes. Or just spheres. There you go. We're just going to use this so that when we place it in the game, we kind of know where we're building our level to. It's going to be 0.75. Okay, wait. 0, 0.5. That's close enough. Oh, it's flat, I think. We're going to move them out to like here. And we need like bright material that we can see that in the thingy. Bright red marker, let's call it. This is going to be an unlit material. If I knew where it was. Unlit. Hello. Default lit, unlit. With a wonderful we're going to call it color. And it's just going to make it easy for us. So it's default red, but in case we need a flat color in the future, we can just use this material. Wonderful. Close off these things, because I don't need them for now. We're going to go into here, we're going to set this to red. There you go. And it's going to be in the opposite direction. Ooh, this is Carpenter Brut. And it is not exactly what I was thinking in terms of the feels this evening, but hey, let's put some jammies on. Where's this? Wait, jammies. Jammies! Yeah! Okay, I don't even know what I'm looking for though. This is very distracting. It's not big enough. I know it's dummy. It's disorientating. There you go, you can see the little dots now. So you can see the little, I can't point with my mouse, but just above the T on template, the second T on template, see the little red dot, that's what I'm trying to aim for to see where that puts the camera. So we can use this to kind of just see where we are in the world, where the bottom left one is just to come out. And that's in. Unless, you know, one of these, there you go. I can see it through the Sorry, I'm going to be mumbling a lot while I do this. There you go. Bottom one's in place. Top right one. Top right. Wait. Far out. Further out. There you go, nearly there. There. There you go. Cool. So that's how I can see the dots in the corners there. I get to get these. Oh boy. Oh, it's 950. Me, Alan. It's 1920 divided by 2. Wait. Ah, whatever. I'm too lazy to figure that out. Does that work? Wait, no, that doesn't work. There you go. So that should be our borders. Yeah, in the corners you can see the red dots. Perfect. Now we know that beyond there, it's no man's land. But hey, we've got a little dude. Look at that. It's like a game. Okay, what am I doing? We're making it so that when you moves into a volume, it moves the camera to a new location. So we're going to make a... Oh god, this might glitch out here. So that's going to be view, frequency, actor, camera, controller, volume. It's going to be a simple box. Let's offset. Yeah, let's rock it out. And it's going to be the... What will it be? Box. So there will be a scene component, or target actually, or billboard, sorry, billboard, that is going to be the camera location, focus location. Oh lord, this is like gonna freak me out soon. Oh, my brain. Okay, wait, there you go. We're gonna leave it for a little break. So that was... Wow. Wait, holy crap, ow. It hurts me body. Get that cool blue. Alright, we're good. Yeah, the only way to live, hell yes. And yeah, we really need to shower and some food. Well, the shower you can't do while watching me, unfortunately. That's not allowed. But the food, you're more than welcome to watch me while you eat. Right, that was when I was testing thingies. Cool. So, let us see what I'm doing. Because I don't even know at this point. The box, when we overlap with it, begin overlap, we are going to get the other actor, cast to Abe. Abe, side scroller, that's his name. Let's go to character. Once we're there, we're going to get the camera. And once we've got the camera, then we're going to location. How do you do this? There's a way to set the camera location. Set camera focus location. Oh. Camera. Get camera AR image. Oh, that's interesting. What does that do? Does it return a texture? Oh, hey, that's fun. I need to try that out sometime. Hey, you know what? We're gonna get a timeline, and this is gonna be our camera lip. And just set that as a variable. We set that as a controlled camera. This is going to be tricky because the thing is, I'm thinking of a way that if once this triggers, then it starts a timeline to kind of smoothly interpolate you to the next camera point. But if you do that, then you know what we're going to do. We're gonna set a variable. Sorry, I'm just talking to myself. We're going to set a variable in here that is camera currently moving. So that just means that it's like claimed by something. And then we're going to get camera currently moving. If it is currently moving, no, but then you can get lost in a different room. I could have it like queue up different camera moves. Oh god, wait. I'm just trying to think how like this system could be abused. Essentially, what I've got at the moment in my big brain is the player, when he moves through one of these volumes, which is going to like mark doorways between rooms or something, then it gets the next camera location for that room. Yeah, and but okay, so once it's in that volume, then it kind of interpolates there. That's going to take some time. But now, what if during that time he jumps back into the previous room? Is it going to be like, I'm stuck here, and then I was going to zoom to that location? In which case we need to kind of create a queuing system, or is it just going to like take the latest one and just hope for the best? I think it should take the latest one. Yeah. How do I do that? I know. Abe's going to have a little variable within his brain that is like, what is my current camera move? What do I call it? Volume. Current camera volume. That's going to be camera, controller, volume, object reference. Then I don't need is currently moving, so we can delete that. Yoink. And we don't need to make that public. Will. Actually, we should make it public because then we can set the initial one. Then we will. Camera. Get camera current. Wow, me brain small. No, we want to set it first. Oh dear lord. Okay, hold on. Okay, we're gonna promote Abe to a variable himself as well, because I think we're gonna need to get that in the future. Abe character. Oh, there you go. And then we're going to get the currently controlled camera and set that as a variable. These are within this blueprint here. And then we're going to get we're going to set Abe's camera, set current camera volume to our self, yoink, and then we're going to start the timeline. Custom start loop, and that is going to play from start or play. Yeah, let's play from start. And we're going to have another that is going to be stop. Timeline. Loop. Wonderful. And that's just going to onk that. On an update, we are going to get Abe's character. We're going to get the camera. Get camera volume. And we're going to see if that is this class. Equals self. If it is, then we continue with our wonderful little update loop. If not, however, we invoke the stop. The dreaded stop timeline loop. Woo. But until that happens, we're going to go through with this timeline. And this timeline is simply going to be a camera loop. Wonderful. It's just going to be, wait. No! There you go, wait. It's simply going to be a, let's put it as like 1 second at value 1. And it's going to be a wonderful smooth slurp, I think it's called, S-loop. Hey, look at that. Wonderful. Now that we have a camera loop as our float value, we are going to get the controlled camera. Yoink, get. And we're going to set the world location. Set world location. And that world location will be, we should probably get the initial location here. Get world location. That's going to be our start. Promote to variable. Start camera location. Yoink, yoink. Start the camera location. And this set world update will be a loop, like that, between the start location, which is what we just set, and the billboard's location, which we can set in the game. Get world location. Wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Not wonderful, I selected the branch. There you go. Be gone with you, off into the distance. So we can organize these things ever so slightly. There you go. This should work. Oh. Wait. this should work. But we'll see. First of all, what we're going to do is we're going to set up 2 volumes. Bonk, one over there. And our character can just barely see. It's going to be a big old volume like that. It probably should be in those bounds. Over there. And the other one is going to be over there. And now each of these camera focuses, this one is going to be up in the sky, over yonder. And this one is going to be just over here. So, what we need to do is, we're going to set the default to be just this one over here, yoink, just for consistency's sake. And now, once we save all of that, when we go to here, fingers crossed, okay, well that was the same one, but if we go here, fingers crossed, that broke. Abe, what the hell? Do I have some, I don't think I have the collision set up for this. All dynamic, generate head events. Uh-oh. I don't know why this isn't working. Probably some collision channel stuff. Let's get it to shout at us whenever it does a thing. Whenever something overlaps, print and just A's. Just, God damn it. Now. Tell me your woes. Look at that. Aha. Wow. Why aren't you working? You fool. I'll leave that in here. Is it doing a thing? It's getting Abe. It's getting them. And we're gonna make sure this is intended in game. Donk. Like that, so we can see these things. So that's great character. Wonderful. So that's great character. Wonderful. Wait. Don't mind me. Didn't start. Look, there we go. Look at that. Now this is flawless code, ladies and gentlemen. Believe you me. Donk. Look at this. Woo! Hey, that didn't work. Hey, where are you going? Hey, why, buddy? There you go. Ooh. It's getting confused. Hey, it's me. Hey, come back. It's broken. But why? Why is it broken? That's the main question. What's happening here? Play from start and stop. Let's see when it stops. Every update it is checking if the current camera volume is itself. And if it is, then it continues. If not, it stops. But it doesn't seem like it's stopping. Or is it just starting over and over and over again? Start timeline. This is how you do it, people. Start timeline. Yoink. Donk. Start timeline, start timeline. Start timeline, start timeline, start timeline. Why is it triggering over and over? Well, we can fix that with a wonderful little Dons node. Dunes, you could call. And the sequence could be first of all stopping and then second resetting it. This is probably going to screw us up in the future, but hey, let's see if it messes up. Uh-oh. Why? This is being odd. I'm not too sure why. I want to drag this little billboard down here just so that we don't have to worry too much about it. And let's get some music going again, shall we? What do you guys think? Tell me the answers. Any way to div? No, nothing. I believe in me. That's all that matters. I'm going to blacken out my screen a little bit just because I want to check some messages. Right. Let's see. So, we, is this correct now? I'm just gonna leave it down here. We'll be able to tell. There you go. That worked. That worked. Okay. Is it working? No, okay. I need to... Okay, I need to reset it after we overlap. No, wait. Oh, bugger. Tricky one. So it only triggers once. And when it does this, then it, wait a second. Alright, on a finish as well, then we can reset it. So if it just works, the only case we didn't account for. Account for all the breaks, except for if it just tends to work. Right? There you go. And now we go back. Hey, look at that, baby! So if we put them together, and we jump between them like crazy styles, then it should be fine. Put them like that close to each other. There you go, look at that. Ooh, jamming, boy. Okay, now we can get on with it. So, we want to have some interaction within this game. I'm just going to delete like half this world, just because I don't want it to look so default. Gross. Imagine using the default world. Oh, wait, we need a backplate. Just delete the sky. Wait, where's the sky? Atmospheric fog. Be gone. This reflection, be gone. Post-processing, be gone. Light less importance, yeah, it can stay. Light source, for now, I'll allow it. But yeah, that's it. Bring this in super close. Just like that. And there you go. Now, do we want some angle to this? What if we add like 10 degrees to it? Donk. And then we also donk this dude back 10 degrees. Did that work? I don't think it worked. Is there a light? There's a light. He's donked back 10 degrees, but this thing isn't. Why aren't you? Donk. There you go. Interesting. Well, what the heck is going on? I know one thing that's going on is my legs are dying, so I'm going to... Uh-oh, wait. I was going to be slow with that. No. No. Is this going to shock me? Uh-oh. Wait. Oh, God. Wait. I'll get you. I'll get you, you sneaky bugger. There you go. There you go. Woo, look at that. Look at that. Bam. There we go. And now we just What? Check it around here. Hope for the best. Yeah, halfway down the screen. Perfect. Good lord. Oh no! Is that enough light? Where am I? Yeah, it's kind of alright. Okay, we're gonna just bonk the camera now. Not me. There's some other lights in the room that are just kind of poking around. Uh-oh! Uh-oh! Wait, we'll get it. Uh-oh. That probably sounds gross. Ah! Wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Look at that. Ain't that pretty? Where am I? Oh, there's so many buttons. Okay, so we've got the room set up. I think let's start actually putting. Oh jeez. You know what, I'm just gonna go with it. Classroom level. We're just gonna get started with this. Save these. And we're gonna first start off with a cube. It's our thing. Look at that. Whoa. Right. Cube. Put something in there. Get a directional light. Uh-oh. Derek. Gonna get that like kind of an angle. I don't really know. Whoa, uh-oh. This thing's breaking through. Highlight. I'll bring the fancy light back in later, but it's just being weird for now. It's just kind of like falling over and stuff. That's not safe. That is it's a weird USB like strip light that burns your retina out. I can't see properly now, but it's also very useful. It's like if you don't have a plug point, you just plug it into your computer. Right, directional light. We're going to put you to movable for now. But we'll be back, and then. What do we want? We want the character. So where's Abe? Where's my boy? My boy. Abe. I didn't even put Abe in Abe. Oh, he's not Abe. He's a side-scroll character. Of course. Look like that. And how are you looking, boy? Oh, he fell off. Why? What? Wait. Why? It's just yeeting out of existence. Oh no. But do tell why this is happening. Is there something in this world that I'm missing? Wait, I'm gonna go back to the other one. Yep, save that. This one. What have I got in this world that's different? Level blueprint. Nothing in here. Hey, we're gonna be lazy. Delete that. Duplicate this. Whoa, I'm gonna name a classroom level. Classroom. Yoink. Look at that. Perfect. And now we can get down to business. So I don't know why that was breaking, but hey, it broke. And now let's try and fix it. That's all that really matters. Network play start, we don't need to worry about that. Play, excite controller, blah blah. Oh, words are not working tonight. It's been a long day. Skylight, we don't need that. Not less important volume, we'll deal with that later. That's source. And we'll get these. We'll get these in place. So, we're going to start off in a big old classroom. The story goes that he starts off in a classroom and he is speaking to his new crush, well, his new girlfriend actually. They have decided that they like each other a big, and they're deciding to to make it official. Not put a ring on it or anything, these guys are in like, you know, grade 6 or whatever. But they're like, hey, you're cute, and then she's like, hey, you're cute back, and then boom, that's as far as it goes. That's like peak romanticism in grade 6, my dudes. But yeah, they're just saying their goodbyes. Like, how do semesters work? Because the winter break happens just before Christmas. When is that? Like November? Do they get like a month? What is December? I don't know. But hey, it's just before that, and they're like, yeah, bye. And so they're saying their cheers. And this is what's going to be playing in the background. My brain is going to be dead from this afterwards. But yeah, that's a little classroom. Should probably be closer than that. Oh, bugger. Are we closer than that? That jump is way too strong. How are we doing this? Thinking. My brain is breaking. I want to have some side rooms that you can go to. Like maybe you can sneak back into like the teacher's room back here, and then probably and then head into the school hallway down here. We can like walk past people and then eventually head out the door. Like say past some people that like say cheers to you, and you can talk to some of them, and you know. Okay, so we're gonna have 3 rooms pretty much. Yeah, yoink. That's the first room. Yeah, yoink. Gonna have badoink over here. Just gonna be quite a small little room, like yonder. And then the last room is going to be down here, which is quite long. Actually, no, we're going to have a series of 3 small rooms. Just so we can, like, move down the corridor smoothly. Maybe just 2. We'll see how it goes. Like that. Now our camera positions will be... should be the same heights, so we're going to do that. That's the world position. Oh no, that's the default. Okay, we're going to put it up. Say 50. Let's do it on this one first and see if it works. 50, like that. Wait. Sorry. This is not being nice to me. Like that. You want the focus camera to be at 50. 50. And then we'll center that. 0. And X position doesn't matter because it's orthographic. Cool. That's alright. Okay. This one, I'm just going to do this again because me lazy. I want to put in coordinates 3 times, are you kidding me? This is going to be thinner though. Like that, and then 1 to the right. Look at this wonderful world design. And I'm going to be drawing these backgrounds just to make it like, you know, visual appealing. What the hell did I say there? Visually appealing. There. Good lord. Right. Moving to the left and right. Wow, look at that. Speedrun this. Woo, look at that. Just bunny hopping. That's cool. That's cool. So, let's put in some world geometry just so we know kind of what things are looking like. There's the teacher's desk back here. Gonna have the windows with dramatic light streaking through. Ah! Like that. Freaking schools have huge windows, dude. It's mad. Like that. Like that. Like that. And then we have a big old wall, just like right about here. A doink. Just like that. This is where we want the steeper shadows. Come into play. Like that. And yeah, I should probably get a skylight. Yoink. And then a sphere reflection capture. Like that. Put it just in front of his face. Put the reflection capture. Get the skylight. And intensity. Ah, screw it. We're going to use a specified cube map. We're going to be using daylight just because it's easy as heck. And then that's done. That's finished. Can we move through this? Why isn't it showing up? Isn't it? It isn't showing shadows here. This is very weird. In the orthographic mode. Very strange. Who knows? Just gonna check some stuff. Oh hey! Ooh! Disc jump scare. Oh sorry. Howdy doodly. I didn't see you guys. I believe in you. Thank you. Disc jump scare. Very sorry about that. Um's back. Have you done a 2D project before? No. That is this is my first go at it, and I am terribly worried. Yeah, there's some weird stuff. Pretty much the only these things that I'm dealing with now are the things that I don't know how to do. So kind of learning as I'm going, but the rest of it, like the dealing with, I haven't actually done a proper story progression, so that's going to be an interesting one. But I've got an idea of how I can do that. I'm just going to make it very simple. Side scroller, yeah, haven't done either 2D or side scroller. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. And then, Gashi Mix. I'm looking to learn Unreal so I can get Fortnite world map assets and host it on a private server so we can play with friends. Cool. I don't know how to mod Fortnite or get the assets, to be honest. So, I know Unreal, but Fortnite was made in Unreal, so that's there. But I mean, I haven't done any modding. I don't even know to what extent modding is capable. So, yeah, I mean, I'll help you out if you got anything that you need questions for. But I only have knowledge of Unreal, to be fair. So that's the disclaimer. But yeah, we'll see. Anyway, I need some. I'm actually gonna grab some coffee if that's okay. I'll be back in a little bit. I'll leave you with this extremely soothing, wonderful music. But yeah, we'll get back to this in a little bit. Need some text up here. Hold on. I'm doing this live, boys. Just coffee. That's the thing. Wait, where is it? Coffee. There you go. Coffee. Cool. I'll be back in a second, guys. Omayomo, Shinderi. Nani? Hello, it's me. That was a terrible meme. Hi. What have you guys been saying? Okay, well, looking good so far. Thank you. That sounds like a good idea. I think it does as well. I have no idea what I said. You used paint.exe for be right back. Oh, you've used one. Okay. Well, I claim pride in my work. How long have we been up for? We've been up for 73 minutes. That's unacceptable. How do we not have a finished game yet? Okay. We were trying to figure out why this was not showing shadows. Because when I do this, it's like, oh, there's nothing there. And that's gross. We need shadows. So I might do a gross thing. And instead of making this true orthographic, I'm just going to make it perspective with 1 degree as its view range. Look at that, that's disgusting. This is the worst thing you can do. 0, 0. It's not the worst thing you can do. There's many worse things you can do. This is one of the worst things you can do. You know what? No, I'm not gonna do 1 degree. That's disgusting. Let's put at least 5. Oh, there you go. You can see some geometry. Look at that. But like, look at how far you have to drag it back into the world to like make it. Oh god, that's gross. No, it's 15 maybe. We can get away with some. We can get away with some stuff. There you go. That's more reasonable. But now we have shadows in the world. That's the main thing. Okay. So that's then going to be. Where's my camera focus? Bring this all the way back here. Line it up. Line it up. That's like that. There you go. Cool. That's better. So now we have a little thing, and look, there's shadows. Wow, that's beautiful. Oh, brilliant. Oh, we also had that 10-degree shift. So let's have your camera, lift it up a little bit, donk it down 10 degrees. That's huge. I'm gonna do that. That might work. Maybe 5 degrees. There you go. That's better. And then the mesh within here is also going to be -5 degrees. Just like that. Look at him, he's beautiful. And then we're going to apply the instance changes to the blueprint. Badoink, and look at that. There's a little dude. Better angle, better everything. We need to give him a little doorway here, otherwise he can't ever leave. He's stranded. Gross. Imagine being stranded. Just like that. And I'm just kind of winging this, lining it up by wing. Right. I don't want the edge of the shadow to be visible. Right. Kind of like there. Bring it to there. Can we move through that? Bye! And he's gone. Fly like the wind, bullseye. As the kids say. Never heard a kid say that, but hey. It's the 70s. And he's short, so the doorway needs to be like that tall. So that's cool. No, he's human sized. He's normal sized. Because this capsule is normal dude sized. Ah, whatever. Scale is weird. There you go. Ah! Oh, right, because I didn't do the camera change. This thong needs to be yoink right up there. Why do I need to play that? Wait, I just need to duplicate it. Over here. Once. Twice. Let's see what happens with overlapping, because I think it'll work. I think it'll be alright. 3 times. Just like that. We're gonna see if this is cool. If this is Gucci. Gucci wasn't invented yet, but like if they, I'm trying to help these kids. If they invest now, they're gonna hit something big. Okay, let's see. So if we move yonder, oh bugger. There you go. If we move yonder, maybe that's the thing. Just make him jump over the teacher's table. That could work. Yeah, it's gonna be like a little back room here that you can kind of sneak through, just like up to here or so. Go back. Run all the way here, yoink, head to the next room, you can see the edge of the classroom. Should probably move this a little bit over to the side, I guess. Yeah, just so you can't see that wall there. And then, there's the next one, there's the next one, and then you... you just jump off the edge of the world. Like every winter break. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to make it easier to control. No, wait. I'm probably messing this up. Don't worry, my brain is just slowly ticking. I get like 1 thought per minute, and I just kind of ride with it. That's. I don't even know what I was thinking there. Just pondering, trying to get an ounce of registration from my brain back. Okay, I'm gonna pop one of those over there, and then like this is very, very temporary, like just to get the shadows and stuff to get a general feel of what the heck I'm doing. So feel free to judge me, but let it be known that you are wrong if you judge this. This is gross. This is very gross. Oh no. Oh no, my heart. It hurts. Is this gonna... It's gonna like cut off or something. Yoink. 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 I mean, maybe. Okay, whatever. We'll figure it out. We'll get it. Just not worrying about it now. Ah, can't remember hotkeys. Does that work? Yeah, that's better. Cool. Oh, well, there you go. Bonk. You jump. Cool, and then we're just gonna have like a bunch of lockers down here. Uh-oh. Right. Just like that. That's the size of a locker, right? I hope so. Like that. And like little spaces in between. And then like that. Then we'll have one more doorway leading to the side here. Just like that, and that's the basic layout of the first level. Yeah, we're gonna add some character. Just donk these things around a little bit, you know. Cool. And then capsule Just so we know where like some characters might be in the future. That. Just some kids jamming, having a good time. Hey, they doing their thing, you know. Might be some like in the foreground. You know, getting ready for their spring break, or their winter break, sorry. Cool, cool. Look at that. Look at how short he is. Oh, he's a cutie. Go back. Ah, there you go, you see. So I need to make them separate. Because this is a gross. This is one gross. I need to make them like his width separated. Yeah. Right. I think at least. Dear Lord, what are these hotkeys? There you go. What have I been using that has those hotkeys? It's yeah, Spine. It's a like 2D animation program, ironically. That's not ironic, just because it's 2D. Good job. Alright, I want to try break it. I'll get it. Oh, hey, look at that. You see that? A little weird tick there. That works. Oh, look at that. This one looks super weird on the webcam. I'm terribly sorry, everyone. Yeah, that works. Cool. Look at how short he is. Okay, what are we saying? Nani? Zoom in and enhance. Just get the. What's on Twitch? Nothing's on Twitch. That guy went. Save now. Cool. What do I need? I need to. What am I doing? I need to set up a way to interact with things in the world. I need to have coffee. Coffee. This is probably going to sound really gross. I've heard that it's very loud. If that isn't loud, sorry for misleading you. If that is loud, I'm terribly sorry. Either way, sorry. Delicious. What do we have here? Kitten. Somebody sent me a kitten video. Don't look at me. Look at the game. This phone is very slow and gross. What am I doing? We need to... What are we doing? We need to have a way to interact with things in the world. Let's make a couple of widgets. First widget. Don't need that. Widgets. Widgets. First is going to be the interact widget. Interact prompt. This is just going to be a desired or custom. Let's make it desired. And we're going to have a overlay as our main. No. As our main. Get back here. Overlay. Have an image, which we will define in a second. And we'll have a text box which appears on top of that, which has the prompt. Prompt is a variable, and Click. There you go. And just for the sake of having a bit of a breather from this, we are going to get in. Yes. My girlfriend is sending me cat pictures. It is beautiful. Oh wait. I think there's a Restream chat application. You can also like overlay it on your screen. I don't know how to do that. I don't know anything. And even more so, I'm really disappointed that you can see, I'm just going to show you my little spoilers here. Look on the side here, look at how many things I had. Oh, look at all of these. Look at all of these. But none of them work. You remember when I was setting up for Dwarf Fortress? I set up so much. I wonder, scene transitions, cut. I had like custom transitions and everything. Oh, I was set, dude. I was ready. I don't have any of that overlay stuff, screw that. But like, I was so ready and like I just didn't get time for it because like, freaking plague. On that note, let's bring out the moody lighting. Ooh. Woo-hoo. Look at that dual tone. There's like and the camera looks like a green, but it's literally just my light, and then there's the red of this. It might look like I have fancy LEDs on my computer, but it's literally just a strip of very scary lights. Ooh, it's beautiful. I wonder if I could get a better. Do that. Oh, look at that. Wait. I need to like unplug my keyboard to do it properly though. But hey, it works. You know. Gotta angle that at me. Doesn't like it. Doesn't want to do it. You know what? It's cool. Ambient light. Cool. What am I doing? Images, text prompts. Where did I get the lights from? Something like China Wall, I'm not too sure. Yeah, okay, so this is what I was saying. This is where I can see Restream, but there's nothing else. Settings, appearance, embed in stream. Embed in stream, that's fun. But analytics, who knows? Can I close these? Oh, is this... Surely this won't drop the stream. Uh-oh, wait. Okay. No, go away. And then we're just gonna yoink these away. Still alive? Still alive? I'm alive. Right, yes, I'm alive. I think so, at least. Oh, bugger, wait. Why don't I do that? Okay. Gonna close Restream. Don't think I need that. Close this. There you go. And then let's not listen to this for a little bit longer. Let's what do we want? We don't want Maniac. We want some sad boy music. This is the vibe that made me want to make this game. I know this is what we were listening to at the beginning, but I'm gonna have to deal with it again. Because I love it. Real sad boy hours. What'd you say? Yeah, we laugh. Okay, cool. Neat. Right. Photoshop. This is what he looks like behind the scenes. There's his chubness. Normal map. We're going to make a new. This is just going to have to be 64 by 64. Yeah. 64. It's gonna be a mattress
that smells like it feels.
There you go. And we just want some fancy brush.
We can unmake a bed, and we can reinvent the wheel.
Why is it working?
Allergic
it's
to the
a smudge.
Still pissing blood.
Wait, that's also a smudge. There's a thing. What a thing. There you go.
I burned through the bed, and now I sleep in the mud.
Not that though. Supreme splatters.
If you want me to.
Ruining the mood of this music. There you go, that's what I want.
I can be a werewolf if you want me to. If you want me.
I want 3 textures.
start what you like. No one likes a bad fight. Try to tear through the day, leave to colonize the night. You're lush like your dad, and you're insane like your mother. But everything's fine when you're on top of another. I know when it's time to let the dog decide.
Ah! No! Mask. No, oh, wait, no.
When I find my hands tied, I let the dog decide.
Mask. We're going to hit it with
Be a
a little bit of
werewolf
that.
if you want me to. If you want
Like
me,
that. He's like that.
I can be a werewolf if you want me to.
Okay.
If you want me, I can be a werewolf if you want me to.
Go.
If you want me,
Ah, wait.
I can be a werewolf if you want me to.
Just like that.
If you want
Okay,
me,
this may look weird, but it's going to be the backing for the
be
props.
a werewolf if you want me to.
Do.
Want me,
Let's do that.
I can be a werewolf
Duplicate it. Turn the bottom layer to black.
if you want me.
Yeah, blur that ever so slightly.
I can be a werewolf if you want me.
One pixel.
If you want me,
It's going to move it down a little bit.
I can be a werewolf
We're going to erase the pictures of that.
if you want me. I can be a werewolf if you want me.
And that should be an interesting little backing plate. We're also going to lock that, get a gradient, not on soft light, on normal, and we're going to hit it with a little bit of one of these. That should make it stand out from the environment quite nicely. I'm going to export it as a PNG. Nope, wait. Mimi dumb. Mimi big dumb. When I see some magic, this is how you do magic. So, snap it to the edge of that. Ah, plug it.
I distrust a mattress that smells like it feels.
That. And export this as a
Get on, make a
PNG.
bed, and we can de-invent the wheel.
Widget. Let's just name it one.
Allergic to the blanket and still present blood. I burn through the bed and now I sleep in the mud. So I can be a werewolf
Save this
if
as
you want me.
PNG2.
If you want me, I can be a werewolf.
This is going to be scaling with the entire text,
If you want
and then this is going to be the end, and it should kind of be, you know, proper. It's going to be a little weird, as these end caps will scale, but hey, we'll figure it out.
likes a bad fight.
Let's see if that works. I actually don't know if we'll... I've done it like once before. Lick me. What? Click me.
Lush like your dad, and you're insane like your mother.
Oh boy, I'm pumping. I'm going in on this. With speed, boy. Jamming. Okay.
I know when it's time to let the dog decide.
Horizontal spacer or horizontal box.
Find my hands
It's going to be the
tied,
BG
I let the
image.
dog decide.
And all three images are going to be in here.
I can be a werewolf if you want me to. If you want me,
2, 3.
I can be a werewolf.
1 and
If you want me,
is going to be centered.
I can be a werewolf. If you want me
So we're
to.
going to take up the full space. 2 is going to be full length.
I can be a werewolf
That's
if
what it's
you
going
want
to
me
be.
to. If you want
This
me,
image brush.
I can be a werewolf if you want me.
Ah, bugger.
If you want me,
Should have named these things something better. Which one?
be a werewolf if you want me to. If you want
2.
I can be a werewolf if you want me
3. Oh yeah, there you go.
to.
And this middle one is going to be scaling. These other 2 are just going to
Be
chill.
a werewolf if you want me to. If you want me, I can be a werewolf if you
Now,
want me to.
if we make a
If
long
you
string of
want
text,
me.
we have them in the right order, then perhaps this will work. Okay, we've been listening to the song for a little bit. I love it, but I know not everyone does. Let's listen to the French setting now. Hey, you know what? Oh no, sorry, terribly sorry about that. I can't tell. There needs to be like some emergency button that you can just smash that like shocks me, like tases me, like something. I know something's going wrong. Terribly sorry about that. Just for safety. I think that's soft. I can't tell though. Okay, so what we were gonna say was this is a very long string, and hey, look at that! The background scales, and only the middle one is scaling with it. So that's going to look terrible, but it's better than nothing. And it, kind of gives us something nice in the background. So left and right, we're each going to give that 15 pixels of border, just to give it something nice. Middle that, and then we'll give it a black text. We're going to make it centered, font, light. Make it regular, because it's going to be fairly small. Okay, so we've got a thing. Click me. Should we center it? There you go. So it's got a minimum width, which is quite nice. So what we want is we want to have interaction. Interaction master. How am I going to do this? Interaction master. Yeah. We're going to have a box radius or box collision, which will make the interact text appear. Widget. Text. Spaces on the screen. And it will be interact prompt. Your desired size. That should be fine. I drag this into the world. And it should just be there. Yeah, there you go, click me. Look at that. Cool. Neat. So now, what we do, I just want to check that the music is okay. No worries, okay, it's fine now, thank you. Sorry, that, yeah, I'm still getting used to streaming and stuff. I'm gonna use that excuse until I die. Right. What are we doing? Making the interaction, we need to add a button to that. To actually interact with it. Let's see. Interact prompt, we're going to need a button. I'm just going to appear on top of everything. There you go. And it's just going to be invisible. You can still click it. Unclicked. We're going to get our owner, which is going to be the interaction master. interaction master owner, that's going to appear on spawn. On clicked, we're going to go to interaction master, and we're going to have a custom event in here. Oh, that didn't work. That was a comment. It's going to be the interaction clicked. Wonderful. I'm going to print yeet to know that it happened. Yeah? Cool. Click, interaction clicked. There you go. Right. Now in the side scroller contractor, okay, we're going to set show mouse. No, we need the play controller. Where's that? Wait. Do we have a controller? Game mode. We need a play controller. Yeah, play controller. Let's grab a play controller, and this will be our default one. Blueprints. Player. That's the play controller. Was that unnamed it? Yeah, the one with 3 L's. Yeah, the one with 3 L's. Cool, got it. At least we know it's my one. And within the play controller, upon begin play, we're going to set show mouse cursor. Yes. And input mode, game and UR. Oh, that was game only, that's incorrect. Game and UR, there you go. In widget focus, none. Play controller self. And lock mouse, nah, screw that. How mouse string capture, nope. Does that work? Cool. And I should be able to click that. Uh-oh. Okay, I didn't initialize the interaction master owner. I should have a check there. It's valid. Okay. The prompt interaction master, here we go. At begin play, you're going to get your interaction text, get widget object, cast to interact prompt. I don't even spell that right. I'm very proud of it. Oh no, I didn't spell it right because I was typing 2 and I got TP, but that's in here, so I failed twice and still got it. I'm very happy with that. And we need to set the. I'm literally saying that's a sentence. Owner? Yeah, there you go. As self. Wonderful. Now, when we spam click that click me thing, it should say yeet. Witness! My glory. It worked. If you don't know where I was looking, it's in the top left there for the print screen. Maybe you should be able to show the chat on my phone. My phone is absolute potato. I am terribly worried that by doing anything other than checking messages and WhatsApp and the occasional call, it allows me 1 call a week, that I will break it. I'm going to get one soon, but I've also been saying that for the past 5 months. I have an excuse this past month because of the whole plague, but I don't have an excuse anymore because I think shops have opened, so it's all on me. So blame me, which is what you're doing. Cool, good. But I understand that yeah, you get me. Okay, what am I doing? I was doing things. So first things I want to do is I want to have an animation for the interaction text. No, interaction prompt. Here we go. Have some 2 animations here. Fade in and fade out. because I don't want all the world prompts to be available to play at the same time. He has to actually move around and like, you know, put some effort in. Come on. Track button, fade in. We'll have a track for the overlay. Yep. That'll be the transform, and that's just going to be a slow, fairly quick scale up. Where it scales here, keyframing, and we take it down to like 0.45. And we will also there you go, just having something appear on the screen like that. And then we'll also, can I just do the opacity for all of this? Render opacity, is this going to work? There. Hey, is that going to work? Oh, look at that. Okay, we got something. That works. Now, we need a fade out as well, which is going to be, no, you know what, we're just going to do that in reverse. Why not? And so, this is going to be on begin overlap, and we'll have one on end overlap. There you go. And this is going to have our... let's say this is variable. Interact widget object. Interact widget object, get is valid. Like so. Shame, my audio guy was literally awake until like 4 AM on his time, so he's probably going to be a bit late to the party here. Speaking of which, I just want to see if I've got any messages from him, so I'm gonna be sneaky for a little bit. No, look. Oh, it's not coffee time. Go away. Sorry, I was just looking at the general chat, don't mind me. Concentrate. Okay, yeah, he's still asleep. LOL. Okay. You are allowed to see me once again. Hi there. It's me, your boy. Let's see. We are doing a thing here. We are looking at the interact widget object, and when we enter the interaction box, we want it to fade in, and when we leave, we want it to fade out. Wonderful. But we need to have an option for that in here. No, not in here. Here. Custom. Fade in. I'll have a bool for fade on. Just to make it easy on ourselves. This is very bad for me to do. Not very bad for me to do. Like a lot of things that I'm doing here are like little bads, but altogether it is a terrible action on my part. But hey, we're trying to be fast here. Play animation. And the direction will be actually just do this. Select. Look at this. Look at this efficiency. Removing a single node. This is going to be false is not fading on is reverse. Reverse. Wow. Okay. Sorry, my brain is breaking there. And then select here, select float. Once again. And then pick A is going to be, if it's true, so false is 1. Now, if we, what we need to do is... whoa, my brain is breaking. Begin play? Let's just construct, okay. We're going to get the overlay. This variable. Render opacity. Set render opacity just to 0. Just so that I don't have to do it in the designer all the time. So it's off. If I move through here, I think I don't have the collision set properly. Yeah, he's just missing it. But if I do this, for example, I can always go through it. Yoink! Somewhere? Where? No? Maybe not? I didn't call it, I don't think. Yeah, never mind. If the other actor is the side scroller character, if that is true, then interaction text. What am I doing? We're going to get the widget object, and we're going to fade animation. Let's get. This is like my playlist, so I know a lot of people don't like this kind of stuff. So we need some sad boy music. Where's my Midwest emo mix? Oh, this is my jam, dude. Look at all these. I've watched all of these. These are proper jams. This is like exactly the feels that I'm going for these for this game. Begin overlap. We want it to fade on. The other one we want to fade off. Oh, that didn't work. There you go. Bam, and boom. Wait. There you go. Click me, and then yeet, and then when it's gone, I can still yeet it. Wait. Is it just always 0? If it's in reverse, is 1 the beginning or the end? 1 is the end. Wonderful. I can still click it. When is the finished? And on... There's a way to bind an event when it finishes. Create event? Nope. I saw that in a meme come up. Sorry, the create this thing. No, not that thing. I saw someone mention this in a meme once, like recently, and they were like, "Where has this been all my life? It's changed my life," and I don't know what it does. I'm very curious now. This is a little thing that you don't see very often. This event delegate, you can use it to create a bunch of stuff. Apparently, good lord, what is this? I'm scared. Be gone. Okay. There's a finish, end, complete. Bind, animation finished. This is what I'm looking for. Animation. Ah, right, this one. There you go. Okay, so you need to drag it from previous node. And then the delegate is going to be the custom, and this is going to be on, fade, anim, finished. I want to see something real quick. Is animation playing forward, and then I'm just going to print this out because I don't know if this will trigger after it's done. Print. This might work nicely for me. Click me, true, false. True, false. True. Wow, why is that stacking up so much? True, false. Look at that. It's like exponential. What is going on? Oh wait, I need to unbind it. Unbind. It's just, once it's done, just finish it. Okay. I was just stacking it up to like calculate multiple times. Good thing I printed that. True, false, true, false. Wonderful, wonderful. Look at this spaghetti. Oh, it's delicious. I wasn't paying attention to which one is true, which one is false. Opening it is true, leaving it as false. Cool. Whack. Be gone, you. We're gonna set this right afterwards so it doesn't stack up multiple times. So we don't forget it. Then we need to do that. With overlay 31. There's a thing that you can click. It's hidden. Not hit testable, that's the thing I want. Okay, not hit testable. It's collision or something. Or visibility. Set visibility. And then we're just going to change these, whether it's fading in or out. If it's true, which means it's fading on, then it's visible. If it's fading out, then it is not testable, self and all children. So it goes there, clickety click. Look at that, can't click it anymore. And then, uh-oh. Okay, you gotta move your mouse off of it. That's weird. Okay, that works. Cool, that works perfectly. Wonderful. So essentially, I'll create children classes of the interaction master where each of them have different story beats essentially. So some of them might open a dialogue between a character. So say each character might have one of these interactions on their head where it's like, hey, this is Jessica, you can go talk to her. You click on her, and then the interaction prompt disappears, and then the text box appears, which I actually want to get on soon, because dialogue is pretty much the big thing in this. Then, come on, brain, I believe in you. Yeah, so each of the children classes has their own custom logic in them. Some of them will talk to the main game state, which is going to hold all the story logic, like, what choices have you made along the way, and then it should be able to call on that as well to say, like, hey, if you're reading this book and you talk to this person, then this option might appear, kind of thing. But we'll get to that. Yeah. Oof. Okay, my brain is breaking a little bit. Need kittens. Okay. What saith you? Oh, hey, what up? Pack Demon! Music is great after a hectic day I've had. Not sure why the Twitch notification didn't ping, not having much like Twitch notifications do. Don't stress about it. Hey Matt, how you doing, man? Yeah, I'm doing good. I am doing I'll send a link in chat. I'm doing this thing. Is it this thing? No, it's not this thing, it's this thing. Copy. Yoink. Is that the right thing? itch.io? Yeah, this thing. I found out about it today and it's already started, so I'm rushing, my boo. My boo? Okay, you're my boo now. Yeah, no, like I just saw this as well. Like just giving away a PC, so I'm like, cool. That's some like good stuff, man. But yeah, if you feel like rushing a game, yeah, you must do it. I'm doing a very, very light one. It's literally just like technically 3 scenes, but 2 different environments, and it's a little sappy love story between like some kids. Almost no gameplay, just like choice-based interaction kind of thing. I'll show you my amazing, not design document, but the story behind it. Oh, look at this. This is my theory behind the. I don't know how you can see that. Wait. Oh wait, I'm not even showing it. Look at this. Oh wait. How did cameras work? Look at that. That's some delicious design work. I think it's probably mirrored even. Oh, there's my Catmull Clark subdivision. I'm bumping the microphone. I'm so sorry. Oh god. And this is the wonderful story. That is reversed. I'm terribly sorry about that. Have fun decoding that. But yeah, that's my little sappy story that I'm trying to do, and then trying to do the interaction here. That's being very weird. Hey, and someone's boo. GG, speedrun of that game dev. That'd be yeah. Sorry, was the bumping the microphone really hectic? I'm terribly sorry about that. Moose blood. Yeah, you're very cool guys. Oh wait, hey Maddie, you'll dig this. I've been working. I'm waiting until he wakes up on his side, as he is long overseas. But he's making me some audio for this thing. Listen to this. Listen to these jams. Look at how sad this is. Oof, the heart. Ugh. It's weak. I'm gonna get the moody lighting. Where's it? There you go. It's that heartbreak color. Okay, what am I doing? Oh, wonderful. I was doing... I need choice dialog to come up, and then yeah, we need to be parametric so we can set the options. So that's going to be a widget. Choice prompt, and then we'll have it as options to come up. Gonna have to have another thing here, but essentially, wait, sorry, my brain is being a little bit slow here. Give me a second. Variables, gonna have choices, and this is going to be rich text. Rich text, no, it's just going to be text. And then text up here, and it's going to be an array of texts. There. Expose on spawn, and editable. And then apt construct. We'll do a for loop through all of these. And we're going to choice individual. This is going to be a variable choice option. Expose that on spawn as well. We'll come back to that in a little bit. Choice prompt. We're going to create widget. It is going to be choice individual choices. Oh wait, it's going to be this choice, and we should probably give it an index as well. Owning index. Refresh, owning index there, and then so this node is going to be owned by something that will deal with all those choice indexes, but essentially when I click the individual choice, it's going to cast back through here, and then it's going to go back one more jump to the owner of all of this, and that's going to have the logic for it. And this is what the logic for it is most likely going to be the interaction master, but like a child of that, if that makes sense. You'll see. It's working in my mind, that's all that matters. We need a holder for this. We're going to have an overlay box. This overlay boxes are fun. We're going to have a vertical box inside there. This vertical box is going to be the main choice holder. Bada boom, bada bing. Compile that. Going to get that, add child, and that child is going to be this thing. Yeah, yoink. Right. This vertical box is going to be grounded in the middle, and then it's just going to fill up like that. Yeah, I think this will actually be quite nice. Okay, so I need to make the choice individual. Let's make another little texture for that, just for funsies, similar to how we did this one, but a bit larger. So 128, 128. Make it wide. Actually, we need quite a bit wider than that, because it's going to be like going up across quite a lot of the screen. Okay, so this is going to be like a paint stroke or something. Wait a second, I bought some stuff lately. Oh, let me get this. This is some delicious brush packs that I got. Where is it? Where is it? I got it somewhere. Downloads. Kaizen foliage pack. Oh yes, and even more so.
Cheese.
Yes. Wait. Cheese. Okay, thank you. Kaizen foliage pack. Let's organize this because otherwise I'm gonna lose it. Backup programs, resources. Textures. Brushes. Doing that. Uh-oh. There you go. Cool. Kaizen. Foliage tutorial. Is that most? That's what most of this was. Oh, wait, this is spoilers. You're not allowed to see that. I paid for this. You gotta go buy it yourself. What is a CSH sample? Ooh. Oh. Look at that. Wait. Oh. That's actually super yum. So this is the brush pack that I bought. It does lots of these beautiful things. That stamp. But that looks really cool. So I don't know how. I'm probably gonna use one of these bark textures or something to do the background. Oh, look at those leaves, dude. Delicious, delicioso, as my friend the map from Dora the Explorer says. So ABR, I need to install not install, but load. Import. Wait, no, not wait. There you go. Yeah. Look at that. Tonk, and it opens up a little folder down here. Oh, you can organize it. Foliage, this one. Gonna scale that down and just do that. That's cool. I'm just going to play around with a bunch of these, see what looks nice. This is essentially just like a bar behind it that will. Wow, my brain is terrifyingly bad this morning. There's a bar behind it that will just hold the text. Sample brush. Ooh, that's nice. I like. Why is it so weird at the bottom? Oh. That's cool. Like someone scribbling in a notebook, essentially. Yeah, screw it, let's have some flowers. Ooh, look at that. So pretty. Ooh. Is that too much? Okay, wait. One last thing I want to do is just brighten this up a little bit so we can colorize it. Just a little bit. Like that. Donk, 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 donk. That's going to be very dark. If I raise that up, that should be better. I just want to see on a black background, how does that look? Yeah, I like those little thingies that pop out. I'm going to have a bit of a soft edge to that though. Oh, wait, where's my... Ah, wait. There you go. Just like that. Just so it's not too much poking out. Yeah, that's cool. And then I'm going to export this in 3 bits. There. And there. Oh wait, what am I doing? I didn't save that. Save, oh god. That. I need snapping. I turned off snapping like yesterday because it had been annoying me for so long. Like the first time I actually need it is when I do this. I bumped the LAN cable, I hope that's okay. I'll check chat in a little bit, I just want to do this before I forget. Ah! Is that exactly on there? It is, okay. This is going to be the choice 1. That and like that. Hope that's right. It's choice 2. Doink. And then choice 3 is the last one in the end. Let's hope it's right. Yeah. Ooh, 1 pixel off. Can't have that. No, that's not even 1 pixel off. That's perfect. The ruler's off. It is the computer that is imprecise, not me. 3. There we go. Okay, let's see if that's as nice as I want it to be. Let's get some new music. Oh wait, let's check the chat. What do you guys say? Ooh, nice. No, it wasn't harsh. Oh, the tapping. Could slap a table louder. Only minor bleeding. How's your day been, Matt? Oh, you guys are chatting. Maybe kind of take your drum. Ooh. Hey, nice. Nice. And hectic, lots of jump between different things. Yeah. Wanted to ask. Yeah. No, it's not cheese. Don't say that. That's gross. Brain is terrifyingly bad this morning. It's evening. Oh, bugger. Did I say that? I'm trying to figure out if there's an app viewing live stream chats on mobile. Just like a chat. Dank chat for Twitch. Open source. Now. I can't install any new apps on my phone. Like so a little story while I get this in place. When I went to Derivco for my for the first day to like set up everything and collect the computer, because you know the plague and everything. So I went in there and they're like, okay, you need to install like two-factor authentication to like make sure things are safe and all that. I'm like, yeah, of course. I'm tech savvy. I know what two-factor authentication is. I do it all the time. And so then they're like, okay, cool, get this app. I'm like, yeah, I'll do it. And then I get on their Wi-Fi, I download the app, and it crashes my phone, just bricks it entirely. I'm like, maybe I haven't done two-factor authentication in a while. Like it's been a bit of time, and it kind of and I showed them my phone. It's just like constantly restarting, like over and over and over, and I'm just like, I don't know, man. And like they didn't know what to do. They're not going to give me a new phone. So we just kind of stood there like, well, we need two-factor authentication. Like, so eventually I managed to get my phone on. I deleted half of it. Like, I free up like 1 of the 2 gigs that is on my phone, and like eventually I managed to install like the crappiest like authenticator that I have. Well, it wasn't crappy. It was like the lightest one, the smallest file size. It was the Google one, and eventually like it worked. But like it took like probably an hour just to like unbrick my phone. That is how close my phone is to just dying at any moment. It'll restart throughout the day. Halfway through a call, it'll just done, out, and it just restarts. Like phone them back, like, hey, sorry, phone. They're like, you need to get a new one. I'm like, yeah. So that's my phone. That's yeah. It got authenticated in the end. That's the thing. What's available? It is a Huawei P8 Lite. And I'm very sure that people are spying on me through it. I've accepted that, and they know my secrets. They know everything. But I've accepted that being watched. I don't think I'll buy Huawei again though. I had one before this, and it's actually super lame because the week before I didn't have it, there was a huge fire across the road, and I filmed it like crappy, shaky phone. I think I had it horizontal. No, I had it vertical. I can justify that because the fire was very tall. There was literally a tree on fire. Then the week after that, we had a home invasion and we got robbed. So I saw a really huge fire and I have no proof, and I'm very bummed about that. But yeah, essentially I had another Huawei before this, same model and everything. And yeah, actually both of those haven't had covers and I haven't cracked them yet. There's like a little crack over here, but I mean like, either I think I'm actually very lucky because I've dropped this thing a hell of a ton of times. I wouldn't mind the spying if the did what say this. I am so sure that they're bricking this remotely, and if you can hear me, Huawei, die, because it's annoying. Don't die yet on this phone. Like give me a week on this phone, and then you can brick it. You can explode it in my face, Samsung style. But yeah, like I'm very annoyed. I think they do the whole Apple thing of like reverse bricking it, and it's very annoying. Every time you use two-factor authentication, it bricks itself. It can reliably do that. It can give you that brilliant code. Look into custom ROMs if we want. Like custom drivers for the phone or what? I don't know about all that. I know about CD-ROMs. Those frisbees. Those are great. I love those. Just freaking like fling them at the neighbors, crack them in half, give them a nice sharp edge to it. Oh, that's great. What was I doing? Jesus. I was doing choices, yes. Choice individual. We're going to have an overlay slot here. Sorry, I need to focus for like, give me 5 minutes and I'll check back into the stuff again. You guys gossip in the meantime. Talk about how cute I am. We need a horizontal box. There image. We're going to put that in, duplicate that, and that's going to be one. Ah, no, not help page. I don't need help. You're the one who needs help. 1, 2, 3. Wonderful. This is going to be centered, filled up, overlay. No, that's not going to be filled up. It's going to be centered. This middle one is going to be filled up. These two side ones are just going to be top filled and then centered. No, not centered. This one's going to be left weighted and right weighted. And the center one is going to fill. There you go. Then we need a rich text box on top. And rich text, I don't know if you guys know, is a beautiful thing. It lets you style the text like with little HTML like braces and stuff. You can say like, hey, red this, and then n slash, and then I don't know. It'll say like, hey, and then or this and red. You know, fancy stuff like that. It's fun. But I haven't used it in a while, so I'm gonna have to look up formatting. We'll figure that out. This is a tick choice you have to make. Uh-oh! This is what happens when you don't do it though. It just pops off these basic Latin 007F like full magenta things. The good old stuff. We're gonna leave that for now. We're gonna focus on these choice images. Choice. Oh, look at that. Choice. Choice. Delicious. Look at that. Yeah, that's about the right size of the screen, I think. It's pretty. Okay, and then we have that. I wonder, is it worth catering for other resolutions other than 1080p? Because it would make my life a lot easier if I just do a 1080p. I know it would be nice to have other people like to have other resolutions, but like time is a big factor. Okay. Let's try this real quick. What am I doing? Mimi Brain small. Mimi Brain need a full minute to do a revolution of the cogs in my brain. I've almost got it. I've almost got a single thought. Wait, it's coming. What's that doing? Jeez. Ah, I'm setting up the rich text. Got it. Where do I set up rich text? Surely it's in a misc. It's like the most misc thing in the world. Nope. Is it this? Rich text. Blueprint. Where is this? Where is rich text? Gimme. Aha. UE4. Rich. Text. Aha. Is it a decorator? Oh no, decorators like inserting images into a little bit. That's pretty cool though. I don't know if I'm gonna get that working. Oh, is it a data table row? Wait, is it? Oh, bugger. Okay, wait, yeah, that makes sense. I remember that. This is a... Yeah, okay. So we're going to, in here, widgets. I'm going to make this the... Oh, bugger, I don't have a struct for it though. Right, that's where you found it. You have to make a struct and then a thingy. And the struct is under misc. It's so misc, it's like miscist. Hello.
Nice.
Out there. See the morning.
You might go for a walk on the beach and wait for him.
I'm probably going to be up quite late. But give me a wake, like, wake me up when you know. Cool. Yeah, I'm going to be up to like 5. Be like awake and they're like walking out the front door. No, it's under blueprints. Okay, it's MISC blueprints. Okay. S, rich, text, basic. And then this. Nope. Nope. Where is it? Mimi brain small. Mimi brain need to rethink. How do you do this? Is it MISC? Rich text. Style row. Yeah, there you go. It is MISC. Aha, I knew it. DT, rich text, basic. Rich text is great. I love it. Okay. First row that we're gonna have. Where the hell is? Oh, add. There you go. First row is going to be called. How do I rename this? Okay, there you go. This is different from when I last had it. Let's have it as basic font. I know, we'll just call it basic because you have to type this in. Basic. Or no, default I think. You have to have default. And this is going to be, what's the normal text? Sorry, I promise I'll get to chat in a second. Oop, there you go. Roboto regular. Roboto regular at 20. Okay, what you guys saying? Hit me with it. Ooh, who dis? Oh, what the? Oh, lol. How was it? Sorry. Wait. Oof. Well, don't rush to like feel like you need to pop back in here. Go sleep if you need to, man. But wait. Lodi lodi. Okay, hold up. Basically, it's all new OS on your phone. So it's but one time. Ooh, through his pants. Ooh, and I can observe the curve. Well times. R18AP is pretty standard, apart from laptops and stuff. Okay, yeah. Exclusive works coaching, yep. Yeah, there's tutorials and Twitch for 20 seconds, trading sounds, how epic. I'm gonna be on with Sam a bit. We're working this idea together, yeah. Yeah, showing the one track. Yeah, dude, he made it. Wait, what? We need to do this. What? Wait, oh, we need to do this now. Okay, sorry. I'm catching up, dude. I'm on a roll. Sorry, that was probably so incomprehensible, me reading that. No, we need to do this. Yes, I agree. Plus, I'm fully awake. Yes, just need to finish some Cheerios and a banana now, all at once. Just get the banana, just peel off the little tip, put the tips on the edge of your mouth, and just and then like just scoop the Cheerios down, wash it down. You got it. I believe in you. Also, respond in the next 5 minutes. Otherwise, I'm calling 911 on you because I know you'll choke. Oh yes, give me. I want to see Matt. I have an idea. Can I call you? Yes, hit me with it. You've been messaging me everywhere. Sorry. Oh, my cousin. Is that? Okay, that was 20 minutes ago. Yeah, hit me whenever you're good. I'm not too sure what's going to happen with the stream, if my camera's going to cut out or what, so prepare yourselves, everyone. This could get ugly. Ow. As it did. Oh, Sendeth. Oh, on stream. Wait. I'm sure I can. Oh, wait. Hold on. Oh god. Wait. Hold up. Ah. Wait. Is your camera on? Hello? Hello? I'm fading away. I can't hear you. You can't hear me. Wait. I'll get this. Input device. Corsair.
I don't.
Wait. Ah, bugger! I had it. Wait. There you go. Hello.
Oh, there we go. Okay.
Hey!
Okay.
Okay. Wait.
Oh yeah.
Speak
I
real
muted
quick.
your stream. I couldn't. Because
Yeah.
I couldn't like yeah. I don't know.
Okay.
I
You're
thought I was
loud as
gonna-
well. Just so you know. Hey, just disclaimer. Sound here.
I'm loud.
Live. You are on the internet.
Ooh, live. Fantastic. Let me. I don't need your camera through Discord, so you can probably pull up your
Yeah.
camera again up in your stream,
Cool.
and then because I think Discord only accesses your camera if you turn it on, so you're fine.
Yeah.
It's not like OBS where like if you're not using it, then it's like still using it. So, but I had an idea. I was thinking because I know you kind of have like.
Quite loud.
You kind of have like your own like little like music thing going in the back. Why don't I like share my screen as I'm making everything, and you have me
Ooh.
in like the top corner or something?
Ooh. Ho ho.
So then we can kind of get.
Yes.
It's up to you though.
Wait, okay, hold on. Yeah, I dig that. Okay, people on stream, let me know if this is disgusting for you, but I'm gonna start reorienting stuff.
Ooh,
Oh
yes,
no.
watch this
Oh,
again.
this is gross. This is very gross.
Yeah, watch this.
Okay, you share your screen. This is gonna be disgusting.
Cool. So I don't have it ready yet, but I'm gonna get set up now so I can kind of get into it.
Um,
I'm stoked though. This is gonna be fun. I haven't done something like this in a while, and I'm kind of keen.
yeah.
I don't think I don't know if you can get okay, screen share for groups.
Game
Okay, so you should
capture.
see something.
I do, but I want to see a
Should
way.
bring it up in a sec.
Yeah, game capture, display capture, window capture, Discord. Yeah, actually spelled it. Oh, amazing.
But I think when you don't have Discord focused, it does like a thing where it makes a mini player. So
Nope.
it's weird. I don't know why, but I think it might be a pretty cool way to tackle this. I don't know. Big black screen. See. Time to enter the matrix.
Why is not working?
Oh, man. It's weird. Like it would be easier if you had something like me because I have two monitors, and so you could full
Yeah.
screen the other thing and then just capture that.
Mm.
But you know, you never really wanted another monitor though, huh?
No, I've had a monitor. I have had another monitor for a while, but it literally started smelling like burning plastic. So that's not good.
Oh, yeah. As all my monitors do, they just kind of burn up just regularly all the time.
I could plug in
It's
another
up to
monitor.
you if
I have
you
another
wanna
monitor right here.
'cause
Okay.
Can your
I'm
computer
gonna.
run two
I'm,
monitors while like?
yeah, no, dude, it's fine. Okay.
Okay, cool. Yeah. If you
Hold up,
want to do
everyone.
that-
Technical difficulties are going to be definite.
Okay, cool. I'm gonna get going on some ideas so at least
Okay.
some people can start hearing.
I don't know if you can hear me, but
I'll start doing.
okay, cool. Oh god, I'm down. I'm hitting my head against everything.
Okay. Oh man.
I just want to check one thing. I want to make sure that you're not too loud.
No, so my stuff is gonna be unmastered, so
Uh,
I'm not gonna have a master
wait.
on it, so it should be pretty soft. So,
Okay, cool. They're not complaining, so that means it's bearable.
well, I haven't started yet. So.
No, but your voice.
Oh, my voice. Okay.
Oh god, I'm gonna get an electrical shock so bad.
Okay, cool.
Oh god. Oh, it's so
See your
close.
levels in your stream.
Wait.
Screwed up or not.
Oh my god, that's literally like 5 centimeters away from fitting. Wait. Okay, it's gonna be the camera as well. Terribly sorry, everyone. Oh no. I'm gonna have to plug the microphone. Oh. Oh. Is that gonna be loud enough? Wait. Can you hear me?
What's up?
Wait.
Yeah, I can hear
Are
you.
you there?
Perfect, yeah. I can hear you perfect, yeah.
Did the stream drop?
Oh, I think it might have.
Wait.
Uh,
No, I'm
refresh.
good.
No, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine, you're fine.
Cool.
I think it's because I accidentally pressed spacebar on your.
No, I think it's because I'm poking around up here. I poked the LAN cable. Can you hear me while I'm down here?
Yeah,
Okay, cool.
you're a little like muffled, if you will.
Yeah,
but,
imagine.
you know, it's...
Oh god. Wait. Dude, it's like a centimeter away. I'm just gonna force it. I believe.
Sick.
Come on. Where are you not
Believe
sleeping?
in you, Sam. What are you? Are you busy like plugging in a monitor or something, or what are you doing?
Yep. I gotta move it like a little bit closer.
This is like proper elbow grease.
Moving everything around. Oh, there you go. Wait for it, wait for it.
I'm really proud of those little like wow.
Oh, dude, I freaking love those jams, man. That's some
I
good
am
stuff.
so stoked with that because that's really something that I loved in the Machinarium soundtrack that I could not understand how he made it at the time when I was like listening to the soundtrack, and I made it. Like I made it, dude. And like I actually made the sound because it was originally what is this?
Is it a laugh? Is it whack? Wait.
Dulcimer. Do you know what a dulcimer is?
Nope.
It's
Oh, wait,
basically like
I've heard of
piano
that.
that's like kind of, it's a so it's like a piano that's on its side, and you hit it with you hit the individual strings with hammers. So.
Wait.
And so I
Yeah.
processed that with a Foreman shifter, and a Foreman is basically how your people know your voice.
A dulcimer. No, hold up. Sorry. Dulcimer, that's a... I think a lot of Zulu people play that. I know it's
Yeah, they're
what you
basically
said.
like horizontal pianos, that, like exposed pianos that you hit the.
No, I'll sing something else. We were doing this. We were looking at those for game research a little bit ago.
They're so cool, man. Like
And
I think
What's
because
this
I
on?
recently used it in one of my tracks,
Uh-huh.
and I think it's probably one of my new favorites.
Oh.
One of my new favorites, like of all time. Cause like you just put it in something and put it in triplets, with something like super kind of like ethereal or like super major chords, like super happy. Put it on triplets and bam, you got yourself a Disney movie.
Oh, wait.
Like straight up.
Hey, I got it working, baby. Oh, Jesus, this is confusing. Wait, this needs to go here. There you go. Apply.
Yeah, standing pianos. Yeah, they're cool. I like uprights
Cool.
a lot. That's so this thing that I'm using in this, I didn't record a piano like, but there is it's a soft piano thing with from a company called Spitfire. They make all these things free. So if you want to like get these plugins and kind of use them yourself, totally cool. Go for it. Like they put it out completely free for anyone to use. It's really cool. And then to achieve this kind of sound that they have.
Oh, there you can get... Oh, I'm such a dumbass.
Tonality.
There's a pop-up button.
So,
Don't mind me. I'm being a dumb.
you got it working?
Yeah.
You should full screen that.
You should. I need chat as well. Now that I have two monitors, I need to let the power go to my head. Okay, hold up.
Oh, of course.
Okay.
Yeah, so
I'm important. But we're gonna...
to Matt about this piano thing. So the way they achieve this sound, where it's like kind of soft, but like it's like really up close, like you can hear the individual things. They put sound dampeners in between the strings of the pianos to like slightly like dampen it, but you still have the transients. Like, and transients are basically like the clicks, like at the very beginning as soon as you hit something. So
Oh, bugger. So there's a bit of an issue where it doesn't seem like.
I'm here with that. Oh, such a nice transient. Oh, sounds so nice. But yeah, I love this thing. I came across this and I've been using it in like everything in like mysterious ways.
Game capture. Let's see if this works.
And if you're curious how I made the other thing, this thing was hard. I did a ton of processing on this. I'm gonna move my mixer window up here so you guys can see.
Mm.
So, Sam, I don't know if you want to see this as well, but this number 3.
Oh wait, sorry. I'll move it to the screen so everyone can see. Yeah.
That's fine. You should have different like setups. in, like, OBS.
I'm trying, man. I'm trying. I'm trying to get one.
Let me know.
They should be able to see it, but it's going to be small for them.
That's fine.
Yeah.
So it just to kind of explain to you as well. So I have a gator. So I'll go through the different effects as I go through. So this is the original sound. And it's like, wait, what? So that is the dulcimer. That's like the kind of sound, but I have it kind of soft. So when you look at like the actual like tonalities of it, it's just pretty soft. And then a gator basically cuts off any sound that is below a threshold. So you set this at like 70, like I set it at like 72, like minus 72, and then anything that's under that volume level, then it cuts it out. It instantly cuts it out because I have the fade at like 0. So once I do that, then it gets this. Well, similar. And then I have this formant shifter. This is like basically the big boy of the party. This is something that I use that's like super, like it's like my secret weapon basically, where I have the pitch up and I have the formant up. So formant. And I wanted kind of a light sound, so I just shoved it all the way up. And then I have an EQ that kind of like took out the high mids because they're kind of piercing. Then I have 2 pitchers to kind of keep it in key. And I had a Saturn to kind of saturate it, which gives it like much more softer kind of feel. And then boosting the mids, and then a little bit of reverb to kind of space it out.
So I'm gonna interject there real quick. It doesn't seem that OBS likes finding new displays once they're plugged in while it's running. So I'm gonna have to restart the stream real quick, and then I will. Yeah. So, y'all nerds, I'm pointing to the second monitor. That's the chat, guys. You're gonna have to bear for about a minute of your life without me in it.
I'm gonna keep them in shade. I will keep you entertained.
Okay.